52.
Many relationship experts say that love is the most challenging human characteristic.
Mahal ko siya, pero masakit.
Tama na. Ganyan talagang magmahal.
Once you recognize what love is, every aspect of your life falls into place.
Siya yung tipo ng babaeng aalagaan at pakakasalan.
Listen to Love Thoughts, Love Codes, and Love Notes.
Radio Natin.
Okay, that's one nakalay naman dito from 0919-308-2370. Sabi niya, masakit sabihin ang I let you go or malaya ka na sa isang tao na mahal mo. Pero sana malaman mo na mas masakit kung hihintayin mo or kung hihintayin mo pa siya or hihintayin mong siya pa ang magsabi sa'yo na please, pakawalan mo na ako. And this one from 0918-308-3125. Sabi niya, kahit di tayo laging magkasama, isipin mo, love pa rin kita. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit saan magpunta, busy man, iniisip pa rin kita. Basta lagi kang mag-iingat kasi mahal na mahal kita. Okay, this one from 0918-370-4288. Sabi niya, it's hard to live alone. It's harder to choose someone to love. But the hardest part of loving is to admit that you've fallen for someone who can never be yours. And that was from Mitch. And the next one nakalay naman dito from 0921-264-9731. Sabi niya, true love doesn't come by finding the perfect person, but by learning to see an imperfect person. Perfectly love the heart that hurts or that hurts you, but never hurt the heart that loves you. And that was from AJ ng Stargazer Salon. Maraming salamat, King Sander. Like this one from 0918-585-1588. Sabi niya, loving is not how you forget, but how you forgive. Not how you listen, but how you understand. Not what you see, but what you feel. And not how you let go, but how you hold on. And that was from Lady Crisel. Ang oras na mga kaibigan sa buong Pilipinas ay meron tayong 3 minuto bago po sumapit ang 11 o'clock in the evening. And right now, here's something from Gerald Santos with a song called Mahal Kita, or the song called Mahal Kita. Again, stay with me hanggang mamayang 12 o'clock midnight.
Nasaan ka?